You are not Igbo. You are not Igbo.
Yes,
These people that wear blue or white, what are they calling them? Sometimes blue, sometimes white. Huh?
Nurses.
Nurses.
Yes, sir.
Who are you? Huh?
I'm a nurse, sir.
Hello guys, this is Blog TV. How are you
Today,
Yes guys, I would like you to watch this video to the end.
there is something about her you inherited. But Kata, Pukarabasha, Takata. Yaba Shaka. Bring her up.
Okay,
Are you not tired yet? Sister, are you not tired? Don't worry. When you can about Esther, who are they calling Esther? Lebasha is here. Come, listen to him. Open your two hands. Open your two hands. You are not Igbo. You are not Igbo.
Yes,
These people that wear blue or white, what are they calling them? Sometimes blue, sometimes white. Huh?
Nurses.
Nurses.
Yes, sir.
Who are you? Huh?
I'm a nurse, sir.
Stand up. Open your two hands. There is somebody, you treated this person with your heart. Her name is Esther.
Yes, sir.
After treating her, there is something in her that entered into you.
I can remember because I gave her treatment for malaria, but suddenly she developed as if she has a fever. So I asked somebody to bring PC, and that is paracetamol. Before I got it, she regained herself, but I started having headache from there.
The spirit in her moving to you, and I command it to disappear now. The matter is settled.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, most importantly turn on your bell notification for more updates. Yes, so turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one you're watching, YouTube will notify you. Thank you and God bless you. Zion, we move.
I prophesy and I receive. Under all the single girls aging, today you are set free. Power. Okay, almost there. Amuma Ramona Fonne. Amuma Ramona Fonne. Mama Mama. Ogini Kameni Lonu. Eda Chumu. Abase kwa mama Munebu. Chukunyene. Yane Guru. Bring that sister up. Her time has come. Her time has come. Bring her up. Her time for freedom has come. Nothing can stop it. Today, Abachi, Ejena Beria ground, Keshing, the yoke is broken. Hey, sister, come. Sister, come. Hey, come. Give me your hand. Today, where is your mom? Yes. There is something about her you inherited. But let her go. J-E-S-U-S. Jesus.
Wachibara yoko dogwama. Ekuve wano zoga walielano. Mobara yoka walielano. Achicha nota walielano. Dena wewu awalio.
Na chinemese. Huna na chinemese. Na chinemese. After this program, those who are not here will be jealous of you. Those who are not here will be jealous of you. Those who are not here will be jealous of you. I said they will be jealous of you. They will be jealous of you. Where is your husband? Come here, sister. There is somebody that went to Anambra State. Around a place called Ubo. The person moved from Anambra to Imo State. They destroy your family. Come here. Chua jana mini na Anambra choni. Nde mini na esogare. The water spirits are following you around.
Yes.
You will be delivered now.
Amen.
You see men all the time, but no one stays with you. They come to you, they leave. They come to leave. They come to.
Yes.
Even so many people from Anambra, Imo State, they have come, but the end of the Lord will deliver you. Yabasha, Akata, Alibrakato, Osokoto, Rimama Sakata. The yoke is broken. Let her go. Let her go. J-E-S-U-S.
Jesus. Bakonye sapota biawo, papa biawo nulagi ewo, obonza koza eje.
Bring her up. Hey, do you want it to happen this year? Come and meet this man. He will bring you to me. Get ready for this morning. Where is your mom? Wait, huh? Marabasha. The Lord will set her free. She will not die.
He came late to Kwama Kasedu. So give more anymore. Okay, more Kaja, Papa. Onye dielu, Chuku dielu, Onye kwesi.
Listen to me. Right now, most most of Igbo boys come to marry you. But none of them agree. Even the one from Ubo, Anambra. But because now I am putting my leg in Cross River State. As I put my leg in Cross River, I destroy every yoke of
Makanoji baya ejogo, ojiako eriaja. We worship Shirakunigwe.
You are from Cross River?
Yes.
Follow me after the program. Get ready for your testimony. Go! Go! Stand up.
Ebube no way.